Hi everyone, so in today's video we will be making some game assets by going into Blender. So let's get started. Next we'll go with a tree, a low poly tree. So let's just add a cylinder instead of a cube this time. And I can take it to this, I like this way. And Control L, link the materials once again, hide that. Alt S. Maybe normal is fine. I can also add a cut here and scale this a little in. So there's a tree shape, and we can shift this as that. Scale 0. Not 0, I think that this will be nice. We can add some cuts over here and no. So we can bring it a little up, scale it down, and link select this and taking it a little smaller and smaller. Let's scale 0 that one and take it a little up. So here's our tree model. It's a little just too tall. I think that will do it. Let's all select. Let's take it to a little green. No. Let's take it a little orange for our stem. Actually select. G, there's our tree. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, you can ask me on Discord. I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.